Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome Service Worker registration errors. Step by step, updated for 2026. Service worker errors usually occur due to HTTPS issues, incorrect file paths, cache problems, or blocked browser settings. Let's start fixing it. First, make sure the website is using HTTPS. Service workers do not work on insecure HTTP pages except on localhost. Check the address bar and confirm the connection is secure. Next, open developer tools using Control plus Shift plus I or Command plus Option plus I. Go to the console tab and look for service worker registration errors. Common errors include scope mismatch or file not found. Now, switch to the Application tab. Under Service Workers, check if an old or broken worker is registered. Click Unregister and then reload the page to force a fresh registration. Next, clear site data. In the Application tab, click Clear Storage, then select Unregister Service Workers and Clear Site Data, and click Clear. This removes corrupted cache and storage. Now, verify the service worker file path. The JavaScript file must be accessible and placed correctly to match the intended scope. Incorrect paths are a common cause of registration failure. Also check Chrome settings. Go to Settings, Arrow Privacy, and Security, Arrow Site Settings, and confirm JavaScript and storage are allowed for the site. If the issue persists, disable extensions temporarily. Open Chrome://extensions and turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions that may block service workers. Finally, update Chrome. Go to Chrome://settings/help, install updates, and restart the browser. And that's it. By confirming HTTPS, checking console errors, clearing site data, verifying file paths, disabling conflicting extensions, and updating Chrome, you can fix most Google Chrome Service Worker registration errors. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome debugging tutorials.